part 2.
Part 2.
Part 1. Oh yeah, I remember when I do that.
Avocado, milk. Avocado. Milk. Give me your milk.
Who wants some tea?
I want milk. My baby. Milk. My baby.
Ew! Cabbage is nasty.
You know I love that.
No. Nasty.
Cabbage. What's cabbage?
Delilah is super good.
Cabbage. I love cabbage.
Exactly.
What's that?
Cabbage.
It's cabbage.
I'm talking showers. I'm talking showers.
Open cabbage.
I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna go.
Oh, yeah, you turn it back up Desire. What?
How you gonna
pop it?
I'm gonna fly away.
Awesome, if you're not even eating, now you just playing. You wasting food everywhere.
Y'all better cover y'all ears.
Is you done? Yeah. Okay, then move from the table now.
And go.
Grab your juice and move. No, leave it alone. Grab your juice and move.
Ready?
Now.
Set. And go. You popped the juice carton.
Move. There's nothing left.
Now we have to clean up.
Here you go. Take your juice. No, stay in here. Don't move.
The camera is over. Don't too loud.
Yeah, that scared me too.
Put this in the trash for 100 Desire.
No.
Let me throw this in the trash.
No.
And you still eating. Come in here and stop playing.
You looking like I'm going in there.
What? Let me get some because I gave you a sandwich.
Her teeth is yellow.
I could take some.
Now, when you done with this stuff, put it away. Nobody's made.
I'm done. The meat. The trash wanted it.
Move.
Move. Bye guys. I'll be like part 1 and part 2.
Yeah, take your butt.
I accidentally pressed the arrow button. So I hope you guys just like this one. And give us a thumbs up, subscribe. And give us
a thousand likes.
Alright, so right now we're gonna just do this. Give us 2,000 likes.
I'm gonna be in front of them. Ah!
Alright guys, did you hear that in the pop that just caught? It was so loud. Oh, so hope you guys like this video. Bye. Photo picture. Hold on, we gotta do this over here.
I'm gonna write this out.